Hello good dear viewers, in this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this Olympiad mathematics question, and the question reads, if x minus 9 divided by x is equal to the square root of x plus 3 divided by the square root of x, we are asked to find the value of x plus 9 divided by x. I'm going to present you two methods and I would like you to decide the best method. But in each case we are going to take this equation, simplify it in terms of the second expression. Alright, here is our equation. I would like to clear the fractions, therefore we are going to multiply by the LCM of our denominators, which is x root x. If you take this x root x, you multiply by the first term here, you're going to obtain x squared root x. So we have x squared root x. Then minus, if you take this, you multiply by this x will cancel x, right? Leaving only 9 root x. So we have 9 root x. You go to the right hand side. If you take this, you multiply by this. Root x will multiply themselves, giving us root x squared, which is just x. Then it will multiply x. We have x squared. So this is x squared, then plus. If you take this, you multiply by the last term here. Those square roots will cancel, leaving only 3x. So we have 3x. Next, we are going to factorize the left and the right hand side. From the left hand side, we have root x in common, so we bring it out. Inside, we have x squared minus 9, but this 9 can be written as 3 squared. To the other side, we have x in common. So from the first term, you have x left. From the second term, you have 3 left. If you observe, this is just difference of two squares, right? Which we can write as what? X minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. And to the other side, we have x multiplied by x plus 3. For cancellation, you can clearly see that this will cancel this. So what we have to the left, we can distribute this. We have x root x minus 3 root x. To the other side, we have only x left. So from here, we can divide both sides by x, because we know that x is not equal to 0 from our main equation. So we have x root x divided by x minus 3 root x divided by x equal to x divided by x. So we have just divided every single term by x. This x will cancel this x. This will cancel this, giving us 1, right? So we can write this equation as square root of x minus 3 root x divided by x equal to 1. Now let us square both sides. You're going to take this, you square it, and you have to square the other side. To expand these binomial terms, we are going to take the first term, we square that. If you take this, you square it, you're going to be left with only x, plus you do the same thing to the second term. 3 squared is 9, root x squared is x, divided by x squared, which is x squared. Then minus, because of this minus, 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term, right? And this is equal to 1 squared, which is 1. To the left hand side, 1x will take care of 1x here, so we have x plus 9 divided by x, then minus 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6, right? Root x times root x is root x squared, and root x squared is x, divided by x is 1, so we have nothing here. To the other side, we have 1. If you take this to the other side, it becomes positive. We have x plus 9 divided by x equal to 1 plus 6. And finally, x plus 9 divided by x that we are looking for is nothing but 7. Final answer. So now let me show you the second method. For our second method, let me simplify the left and the right hand side separately. Take x multiplied by x, then you subtract 9. You have x squared minus 9 divided by x. Do the same thing to the other side. Root x times root x is root x squared, which is x. You have x plus 3. Then divide by root x, right? The left hand side, this is just difference of two squares, which can be written as x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. You divide by x. This is equal to x plus 3 divided by root x. For cancellation, this will cancel this, right? So what do we have? We have x minus 3 divided by x to the left, and to the right hand side we have 1 divided by root x. We can rationalize the denominator of the right hand side by multiplying the top and the bottom by root x. You know, it won't change anything. So to the left hand side we still have x minus 3 divided by x, and this is equal to 1 times root x is root x divided by the bottom. Root x times root x is just x, because root x squared is x. You can see that both the left hand side and the right hand side have equal denominators, so we can equate the numerators. X minus 3 is therefore equal to the square root of x. Now let us square both sides. We take x minus 3, we square that, and we square the right hand side. Left hand side, take x, you square that, you have x squared. Then you take the second time, you square that, you have 9. Then minus 2 times the first time times the second time will give us 6x. And to the other side we have x, because power of 2 will eliminate the square root. From here we can divide every single term by x. We divide this by x, we divide this by x, right? So here you have x squared divided by x, which is just x, plus 9 divided by x minus 6x divided by x is 6, and the other side x divided by x is 1. Take negative 6 to the other side, we have x plus 9 divided by x equal to 1 plus 6, which is equal to 7, and hence this is our answer. The value of x plus 9 divided by x is nothing but 7. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.